Hey, what is up guys? Tayo here, and in this video I'll be giving my impressions of the Tecno Spark 6 Air. So if you're interested in that, sit back and relax. By the way, if you're new here, please click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated whenever I upload content just like this. And it will really help the channel a lot. Let's get to 100 subscribers as soon as possible. With all that being said, let's get into the video. So the Tecno Spark 6 Air is currently available in India, and in this video I'll be giving you the specs, the price and my own opinion on this device, so you stick around to the end for all those. Now, as for the display, it has a 7-inch IPS LCD touchscreen with 16 million colors at a resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels. So sadly, video consumption will max out at 720p. You don't really need to expect anything special from this smartphone considering the price, but on the bright side, it has a 90.6% screen to body ratio. Moving on to the camera, it has a triple camera setup consisting of an AI lens, a 13 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Oh, and it has quad flash, which is good, I guess. It's not really anything special. I don't think it really helps the camera situation. If the camera is bad, it's bad. If it's good, it's good. The flash doesn't really mean a lot in this scenario or situation. It comes with Android 10 Go edition right out of the box with a MediaTek Helio P22 processor, and it has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB using an SD card. I don't know why it's not having 4 GB of RAM. Come on Tecno, at least all your smartphones now should come with 4 GB of RAM minimum, because even though I know this is not a gaming phone, all phones at least should have 4 GB of RAM, or 3 minimum. You should have 3 or 4 GB of RAM to keep up with modern apps and games. It has a whopping 6000 mAh battery, which I think is the main selling point of this smartphone, and it comes in 3 colors, which are comet black, ocean blue and cloud white. Sadly, it has no fast charging or wireless charging. Okay, I'm just kidding. You don't really need to expect that type of features in this smartphone, which cost around 38,500 naira to 47,000 naira. So all I'll say is just to keep, if you want to buy this smartphone, you should have at least 50,000 naira. It will be below 50,000, but just get 50,000 naira ready. But I think there are other smartphones that you can get at this price range. And that's all for the video. I know it's really short, but I'll be doing a full and better review of this smartphone. Not really a review, but it will be a better or in-depth story on this smartphone on my Let's Talk About series, which I can link the episode 1 at the iCard wherever below. I'll be doing it very in-depth. You get all the specs and things to know about this smartphone. Then with all that being said, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat.